Today we are going to learn about assignment operator in PHP. Assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable. We have total 6 assignment operator in PHP. Let's do it practically. First, write the basic structure of the PHP. First, we will define equals to operator. Now for printing we will use echo. As you can see, we got the output 10 successfully. Now we will define the second assignment operator plus equals to operator. As you can see, we got the output. Now we will define the third assignment operator. Minus equals to operator. It will decrease the value by 1. Now we will define the fourth assignment operator. Multiplication is equals to operator. It will multiply the value by 5. As you can see, we got the output. Now we will define the fifth assignment operator. Divide is equals to operator. It will divide the number by 2. As you can see, we got the output. Now we will define the last assignment operator. Modulus equals to operator. Modulus is used to get the remainder. As you can see, we got the output. Please subscribe the channel.